Welcome to our channel. If you want to use one number across multiple devices, follow these step-by-step instructions to share lines effectively. Step 1. Understand your carrier's multi-device support capabilities. Some carriers offer number sync, digits, or similar services that allow one number on multiple devices. Step 2. Enroll in your carrier's multi-device service through their app or website. Services may be free or charge monthly fees depending on your carrier and plan. Step 3. Add secondary devices by downloading your carrier's app on tablets, smartwatches, or other phones. Sign in with your account credentials to access multi-device features. Step 4. Configure which devices can make and receive calls using your number. Set preferences for whether all devices ring simultaneously or only specific devices receive calls. Step 5. Set up message syncing across devices so texts appear everywhere. Enable synchronization so messages sent and received on any device appear on all connected devices. Step 6. Use Wi-Fi calling on secondary devices without cellular capability. Tablets and Wi-Fi only devices can make calls using your number when connected to Wi-Fi. Step 7. Manage notifications carefully to avoid alert overload. Configure which devices display notifications for calls and messages to prevent constant interruptions across all devices. Step 8. Test calling, texting, and syncing across all devices before relying on the setup. Verify everything works as expected and troubleshoot any issues with carrier support. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.